So here we are approaching Wellington Circle roundabout, going first exit left, nice smooth move into the road here. Round we go, it's quite busy. Heading around the corner towards the car park, given the instruction to turn left inside the black gates. Now the entrance here, you've got cars there, it's a very narrow entrance and there's not a lot of space. Going nice and slowly, at this point should be in second gear already. Students fumbling to get into second gear, so can't concentrate on the steering, heading straight towards the car coming out of the car park. The examiner went on the brake, means game over, unfortunately. Have to wait for that car to move out the way and then into the car park nice and safely. It's really essential to go very slowly, it's almost a first gear turn there.